obetumi after Minister of Finance say the only need the nyekura I was saying because you can't. Say to me shock that time budget or not finance budget. Say we say we hear more Jumano or last Miguel and then learning the education or Jumaway. Why yet into online so actual. Say budget me a budget am I. Say this I will miss cow with ya. Ye nipa ye kasa. Oh miniano adi we get to say me demoka. We miss cases here. Mama me emlese na me fetchiam. We na be ma emlesa. And also say yam budget here nti ye ntimitia. Hey. And your me say na be say bumai. Debi yam na sa nti ejuma fo say we dey omunti ase. Anya say na ye pisa, ana say na ye be negotiation. You ama management kwa boa that's the advice on budget here in terms of management in here from August to December that January no almost so in terms of say about the bibia ya say ye jato baby ya
okay
and ko mo get my work aketu e won na ka mo nya be si okure nti the only need here and when the point no
and today say put up my member
akuku da mo o man mo ni nsanya mai no almost finance so ka tell say we dey and pay
but the medasi okay and the National Identification Authority NIA officer wa Ghana nyina omatum ukwa awakoto skeleton wo computer ni si wona hiwanim so kada ira asamaba almost brabeje and almost indefinite strike because sika was here de ma wo no aban no peso betu enti almost so etifie ye okay Olivia me mo achen na mpom to say e be aboko okay abusian for one more Facebook join us. And don't forget to share the link. It's Sompa 93.1. You can watch us live. Nah, yente apomodire ho ensempe ya a free feature live for us ya Bolivia ho. Ba mi nti ano pa mi nia.
Future life for yes ye ton apomuden enti betobi go fi say health is wealth so we ye odefo anahye say we obi a wa apomuden ye de ye ton enti betobi go ye to apomuden go for dachi enti wo hwe enua na efe ne future life for dachi e na wo bo ho ban enti say udi enuane a empene ma yare ntina wo mu nipadua no say unyina ade ma wudi kan hu se unyini pa na wo nan fi se wo nan e na wudi kan de nante wo the first steps onsa enti wo hwa ya duane we ya e the future life repair food de okuta me future life repair food se ni padua no unyina agregre obi wo wapo no so nyina na ma wotimi gina unyina na esa enti esa no kase ni besi kase no so afi na aso ntini kase bi wo nan kokomo na afa oto aso sa na aso osisi eba science nkitwa na wo hu ni nyina ntimi nya adwuma biem to obi ha wo se waye titiriti this one the na hwehwe na asa nensa oda so na ye titiriti entina ho masa de ni bi nya fi se ye de ni future life o da achi na wo bo ho ban de ayi obi nne no kina bi betima yo etu sha se di se aduane we ya sa de ne bi nya enti me se ye ton apomden to bi gu ho na wa meka dem wo na mankrofo bebrenya stroke eno a oba bi ba me ho wo se mre bi me ka kire no na wantie wonya stroke no a obaye ho enam say me won wa say wo kire ade mu a ya na nkrofo ntia say de se nipa no wa yare ansa no hu say bibi wo ho entina ho yare ansa no the future life se wa pono so ye den ana say igregre no ana de ejeje wa pono so no nyina ya mawie a we ye joint collagen a natural food supplement enti de esa no na esa akɔhye ne ma enti time bia na akwai te say oyi jejina wa pono so enti menwe na akene Sebasa na kotodwo ne na etwitwe animu no ebese wo kasa ni nyina afi na ehu fi se wo nyina na wo kasa no so ye mre na wo free we so na wo call future life beauty food a collagen food okay enipadua no wo nyina from 25 years na de ma wotimi gina so obabunu no a wo ye soro no na esa enti we so ye future life beauty food and a collagen food a da bia ma we de ne kama obi wo ha o nyina na we de ne twintwam na ne honam ne titigu na ye peche ubon se ne kokoso ni ne ba bia ye dada entina honya dada bre future life beauty food and ase collagen food no hono collagen enya wo we de nko an esiesie ne beauty comes from within esiesie wo ni padua no inside na aba ntini ma dada eye dada wo mu na be pie ho na mani no future life beauty food we esi eye aduane udi no na esiesie ni padua no ena wo hwe ni padua na last week na me ne ase say enkrofo no firi do ho abai tie ni kohia mo wonkran ye di nkomo efa apomuden ho na mo ka say first na no mu nyine no na pressure ne diabetes ni ho enu nti na enipatimi nyine no na pressure ne diabetes be kan ho nti ebe ma wo kidneys na emresesi na ma yare nti na ma owuo bebre eba no se ase pressure ne diabetes abekan abrabo ho enti entina so benya pressure anase diabetes if you say sad in the boss so na sha se no mu rope o kidneys nyina be kofom enti wo hwa mema no omo ma ho de kofom bebre ya no kidneys na ho de kofom enti so kidneys na ho de kofom a yare bia timi edi unya se wo start se wo di future life a sa ne o mani nyina no ebe siesie ni padua no na de ba ko a enwa ne se ni padua no inside no hu future life ko gum se prapra mama enti ntina ho ma yare mfa no mu ebra future life or the future life no wo sha ase adi a na wo pese bo ho ba e 55 Ghana cedis ne bo nya den eti ase obi edi bi nkola na ko school e fi utin yusu ko school na ase esiesie ne mane ma dada bia metena wo ni padua no eti future life de me se ye de se eton apom de be to bi gu ho boda ache ho ban ejapade na wo pe no bebre na wo du sika no ekom nyina ye no ebedu ba busuma no kra wonko wo hye dem a wo furo bi kra wonko da bia me ka se cancer bibia che wo mu na cancer de no ho agim se cancer de no ho gima na ye kwankro yare wo kwan enko wo be ya enko future life renew cells new tissues ntinti me ma cancer no entina wo ni padua num fi se cancer wo bia ni padua mu se wo pese ekosoro a e wo kwan afaso didi a e be kosoro e na pese ba form so a e wo kwan be faso nti future life ya so yo e balanced diet enti siesie ni padua no ma bibi ntechema wo ni padua ni mu e mo apomden no na ese tu nyare wa fi ni padua no so odi na lopa na di na nwumre awia no odi normal food a yi bia fi mu ye hodo ba etu anuane pa fi se nuane bi wo a emo ni padua no enka nchem se pintin bi adom ye pintin bi ana me ena me ma na hwe ne da bia meka mo asem fi se omuni ho aye ni ho ya se ade bia be fed prostate uzo abrofu ni bi di enti na abrofu ni bi omu hwe omu aduane die ye na infections susu ni ho ye ma mu di infections wo ha pa enkola ni ko school de bebe fie efie fo be fa na won se ayi bacteria no ko gland no pe no a sha ase ebie no e chepe no adidi ho na se de kan watu ba bi na adidi ho no afi na cancer de no ho agim eti yaso ye green tea ahodo bi ho a ebo ni padua no na ade ba kwa me de no so mo san de green tea fufura ba enen from aye homi nsu aye no manya nkaka no mo galamsey no tea no eyiyi finfiri o liver o kidneys ho na o lungs eye green tea
my pick call ina me pa choma radio volume ni nko for mama why aha safre ne mama kasa oba
ye oti o ho a ye home ka emusi a yetwam ye hye roba ensu aye no munye o mama green tea bi o ho a o lungs na yi munyina obi o home prince so
pacho mama hello macho
Hello.
now to say
Hello.
oh to say yo I no pay my entire summer what's the can for future life my entire summer wo for future life yeah
life challenge no life challenge in so good for is na so when you grab much sabrewa ya brewa ni na so you grab much the future we can do you for kana ni na bo de ni da ko da ni sai ni de ko ta ba ki ni ni area media to mano until 19 come up over the physical level. You know that paper, really, the board, and so that it's a much length of what the common community. A category, you do the animal, you do the animal, you show them in this category. Remember to the only thing the Amazon Papa didn't make us say, Mamma, I mean, you say the other board being said, you say the one I'm telling you say the what will be apart from lifetime. Good papa.
A good papa. Baby.
And to see the papa, my mamma, you can lifestyle imagine. You
immune system, you know, Yamin cow. All right.
That's lovely. That crowd. We have beautiful now. I try to a reduction of eye wrinkle volume. Just and you are in the pa. It's just in the pediatric and food supplement. And in some area found no pressure diabetes. Brand baby, you my men, you be an apple pen, you be a Japan or prefer. And plan a good school. If you are my dream, now make a man a prostate. They say prostate, remember prostate cancer, I remember be a bad feature. Obu Johnson tent, a buona Johnson be a cam, not a ho. Nina infections and say, one no green tea, number one and what bacteria and what we treatment to crying idea before. Mr. A man or beer may pay money. If it's a prostate in the Befiana and you may be break form. Always a bema 107, the Beman I am read, ne a phone or Sabe, because now a toilet so are not insufficient between 9 infections. So Obani will be a beman will be doing an SMU treaty. And I'm Colano so co school, Munum Como. Yasu heard them say a campo, Dame Toby go officer area, or war ya entity mudia ya, and I are fair no mummy, bra, Yakupon Frey, Yakupon Frey Bia, Nina Chester Uni D. Yadriani a balanced diet is in the Pedriano, Obia Maya say ho. There how be a few tea suko nasi. You will tea green tea a hood bois, where was more liver problem, was more kidney problem, not no one wanted the pair to turn no. Yes, we am per hospital call Kaubenya and Kaye be ever called Doctor Hall twice on checking the Pedriano. If say be beef if you want, no, and your money at property, if you were figure say man pon and crying. Or boy say, ya property or memu, so frail baby will be a betcher on us, oh, my dabra, see only noon como. Oh, so go to Dre and now see your Yana chica sena, it show exercise, I'll bear or near your exercise or your number and tin them wide dining na no want to milk to cry. Sabe toilets to cry on Timunko to Sabe or bad Timunko to run. I say, Nina, untina dinner, so bad, if a man your mount until Bessie, the more genetic media for sunny in when you're day. Messi a top home, then I say, who be a ramatobi muho. And 2% when you're 120 years at Ekutawa, person you're 30, so your health is your own responsibility. And no, my aim found Mumbra, future life for so for alignment. In touch and news our nature patasono. Your numbers in 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 back also 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90. Future life aduane wudi awome no na ebo daach ho ban. Ye ton apom den be to bi gu ho na Yankopon ama nko ahode wo. O de ahwe oma.
Eno ano no. Olivia no. Akwa babiu. E do ba de ase. So de wa bedru asomhwe. Ama ya wani aje an anim nyina sesa. Kama. Ibi e koso. Okay. Abusianfo ye to adwumade no so afri ha. Na Anope me hwe ni mu se Hussein Ibrahim oye spokesperson ma Asante Mantem Swafo Dr. Mwako hene no oba be kan sa oka MDC communication team ho Abubakar Razak member MPP communication team Asante Mantem wono so eba na ya twetwe nkomo abo nongotwe apa ho meeting song na MPP flag bearer race anope ye be hwe sani asha ase no be wie sen wo mo start yi o mutie didi nkomo as I can say these former DCs about number 2B number 2B mako 301 emu 220 so omota Dr. Mahmoud Baumechi constituency chairman ombe ye omu meeting omashi omu de kwa dwindwim de no maka police station executives July 19th a very crucial MPP. They want to have a narrative change, a paradigm shift to their constitution. Niema bebre wo mu no mpeso mo ko kuchire no mo sesa niema kakra. Na etimi ma kwan na expansion amanfo bebre ka se omuntumi mie omo abom na nipa dodo na ntimi to aba. Some are suggesting Calberry members uti obi ti se kwabna Japan or say bia or former from up to 2010. Yamo munyina kwan no mo beto aba ni bi or hold the position women organizer former police station executive former yamo obi akwan no to aba ni bi na edoso saa obi ntimi mfa sika engurere mu na ejane keto asa at the 19th NPP kushia wo Legon University Sports Stadium ho na oma twetwe enkomo ewiase tokwa bi a asha ase no as when America sneezes, the whole world catches what? Flu. Now, Sunday as a nine, and Donald Trump will say Russia, Iran, 4 dear Namransem. Now, a bomb one in and all smart to Payakasi. A call maybe me and San Iran for a year in our be a friend nuclear. Etimi ma oye niema pi na ma ho so ye hu wiase sa say ekodi ewuo sa nukle na so so ye de ye niema papa electricity uni how so utimi ye nuclear planter ahoden a wunya e de anyina ahoden a wunya de ye niema e easy sesi a omokoto to paye miamiensa aseho so omo ye nuclear enrichment omoye wiye no Iran be kasa eno ay bomba mutie se nya de o metna ho to omo so America military base bia na omo fisa agonom de eno anajo omo jagumu e wakata sei ho nyina na aniji se a main kata kuro no e outskirt of the kata base outskirt of civilian casualty ni bibia amba no say akabe me some be to pay so gu ho and America so immediately now wasoma almost about 3,000 armed men so omun ka omun no omun call the other installations no now omako set here but any missile on to be no they will have an anti-scud missile to repel Sanema na eba no Donald Trump so to omun for say omuntie na omun be to bomb there and they should get ready former president Bill Clinton akasa ose Netanyahu wo ho nyina wo pe Iran tokwa ako o nyina da ne time kra o se Netanyahu pe tokwa ako na eno boa ma Netanyahu tra power it gives me the opportunity to stay in power ese tokwa ba ye ne ye ma nto aso no onko no oni nkuni maye eti Netanyahu ye tokwa pefo e wom so on support on the time kra no they made progress with Iran said more nuclear enrichment. But say honoma or say undeclared war. There was nothing that called for America. So omunko the omunko enti former President Bill Clinton Abeka said yes, Trump had your hair no. Fast will be any so. Iran forces so one of the one of the largest oil country almost play we are say fango baby a fango no droba kese efam no almost akọ block so o ma mbie enna ne akina ne nansan da anywhere 78 ni kuresa $7 no ayi petrol jama so $78 e betima page ni mo akọ 100 and over now your marketing company do 78 kro market check Ghana for say July 1st about 8 to 10% the beba betum which is buy no one Ghana no de aye twebuada enya de beba so aban na suspend enya do beba and no man peli jo mama hwe de ekoso na wo Ghana for embrace ho na sa Iran Israel sa time na America kra man no kan e dey say America sa ba de ene obeka ne mo ebi musu mo me boso kra na Russia Ukraine wa amfa bibia magana Iran Israeli America wa amfa hwema memrante na transfer ni musa usen mu beba ya ma menye wa dwen kire wa America ne mai e ho sunsanso ma ye
awodanti entokoi ai Pope wonte Pope Leo the 16th or 15th
Pope
I wonte takuto mu ye ho hwe ye man yi Donald Trump omo de sa na bia wakoka be kan yi akota de ka kono susu de be kan yen
na kan yen wo se
matese ye se oyo marketing companies no crack boy nka ye se ye mo abo na
almost 1st July
last week petrol no betimi asa ko back to 15 Ghana cedis per liter because of sa na ma we ni
say MPP fish so na 14.75 per liter okay. January 7
okay
na 14.75 per liter na de abubokoi o man we against dollar no de bre nyina will whittle away like vapor
I would have the Russia Ukraine war Russia Ukraine war yeah fe dru baby na Ghana nkomo nyina akwa Russia Ukraine war o ka Russia Ukraine war e makota so be kaya e ma pan no ho ne started say ye bo pan no
na flama
50 cedis
na
iron rods ne sa ne amaniema no e ho be ye din we Ukraine mu pa Russia Ukraine war na kunta eno na kwakoda
we dey oil no dey ka bibia
petrol diesel
anything oil
yakuta
gas anything
yes re ewiase mpanimfo
to parope wo sre
yakuta yes re ewiase mpanimfo akuta we dey Donald Trump dey abeto
Iran has officially Iran has officially responded to our obliteration of their nuclear facilities with a very weak response, which we expected and have very effectively countered. There have been 14 missiles fired, 13 were knocked down, and 1 was set free because it was headed in non-threatening direction. I am pleased to report that no Americans were harmed and then hardly any damage was done. Most importantly, they've gotten it all out of their system and there will hopefully be no further hate. I want to thank Iran for giving us early notice, which made it possible for no lives to be lost and nobody to be injured. Perhaps Iran can now proceed to peace and harmony in the region, and I will enthusiastically encourage Israel to do the same. Thank you for your attention to this matter, Donald Trump. What was it? We are penny better Donald Trump. Also, I'm about to tell you. Now, almost a mistake, so I'm more notice. What my idea? See, I'm going to phone keka peace. Now, I'm responding. And then you say, "Oh my yes, but I knew who." Like, I see, I knew who. No, I'm try build the idea.
Oh, church you omo.
And then you church no church.
I got a mess. We are simping for.
I want to harm.
Kenchas. Pope Leo 16.
And I'll help you.
And phrase.
Asa.
My yaw no worry abroad be France president.
Why Macron?
And now Matuno.
David Macron no. Ken Charles, on to me, just a diplomacy prime minister of England. Omanhene Yaw. American Ade Akye. Have you heard any criticism from Europe?
Debbie.
Omanhene America. Because France, Germany, they are allies of America. When they go to war, they follow. One with Iraq, it was needless for America to go and attack Saddam Hussein in Iraq. They did it. UK was there, Germany, France, Belgium. Almost because of that pact they had at the Second World War. When they bombed Pearl Harbor, now America, Ebek joining, defeated Hitler. Almost signed pact. France will come when America calls. UK will come. On a Belgium and other European countries, they join.
Akunta media the emi hu ye sa ade na Iran for I instruct o monkro for no parliament scra approve sa e say fe say Strait of a Hormuz so there sa
I say no na oil fa
you saw more quack to punim.
What about 2 miles on the quack?
The credo, conom, the aquaco to punim, said they are sepono, intimate for petrol, diesel no. And
Omatum as at no pay yatum.
Akunta, if you are simping for into a moony. The Abu Bay into a moony, and
one say immediately American force say Omo China, Omo some containers.
Yes,
ship. They don't know what is there. And they cry, it has not been revealed. The content of the ship in I call, you know, and they suspect a powerful ammunition is being at China, they are Iran. The Strait of Hormuz.
Yes.
Akota
a serious. It is at
the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. The only till it provides the only sea passage from the Persian Gulf to the open ocean, and it's one of the world's most strategically important choke points. On the north coast lies Iran, south coast lies Masada Peninsula, shared by the United Arab Emirates, and then the Musandam Convenorate. Not just a bia, a honumana, petrol.
Yes.
I free Middle East to do no. A best a day. A best now, almost about 30 to 40% of oil in Timimba, the open ocean, and Timimba, we are seeing Yebi.
In Jaconta, in Pipra Groya, Womu dia. Womu bedia mana babe kanye.
Di omudi.
Omo fe. Hey, yeah, for near more yet.
No, you are an infinitesimal to them when it comes to world. They don't consider you.
Human rights and human.
When it comes to America, there's nothing called human rights when they are attacking you. They believe what did they know? Donald Trump described Iran as the bully of Middle East. World terror sponsor. Also terrorism we are seeing about 80% sponsored. And research and certain intel so should say
it is believed
Iran for sponsor Hamas nomne Mujahideen nomne a lot of people. Omoneye. Onyaka ala wa kuba na bomb no issue. Also, American for be 90 nipa be atoto bomb prepare omo na Iran. It's all this why the woman team so person more this armor omo. Ono de oye na ni agye. Trump is so happy, America is so happy.
Akota AMP pragra
ma.
Yeah, akota nenye hu.
And you all airplane no. Airplane we na
ye. Some of friend is a B2 bomber.
The friend B2 bomber. What do you mean bo? $2 billion.
Bako.
Wait, I.
The other TV.
B2 $2 billion. The B2 bomber. And don't go.
Eja konta kwasi broni ni wiase oba ye chese wanya ne ho ama se de awudisem no odwene ho.
And I have boy no mo de hwe so ye.
Okode no.
Okode the biggest and the largest eagle kese de otumi fa nantwie no kode enso bi wa ho odin po otumi fa nantwie kura no
akonta
saa no no mo de hwe ye B2 bomber we
akonta
na niam ewo mu no
inti America omuni potholes omukro mo school under trees ebi ni America.
You see, when it comes to security,
yes,
American is the world police.
Yes.
When you go to Israel, Israel's budget, defense budget, 80% of Omo GDP because of where they are located.
Yes.
And until Akoba to say,
the
ghost, when he didn't pay a friend of the ghost, B2 bomber, a friend of the ghost. A 2 hour.
As you want trace, you want to be track.
Eba uhunu. Se plane to ne ko wie ma. There's no radar. I will TV the akasa airplane no wo hwe no wo wa iso. Ube hu anu abedi na dwuma no okọ. It was specifically made in America for 200 of this.
Kwasi broni nti oni problem bia. Say problem bia na no so say eti kuroma say ya ye kwan ye.
Onzo ya nkoma awudi we court da ho abobo.
Akota so mu eti wa nwene se obeye eya solve ni problem na it say dey wudi sem no odwene ho
azante
wo ye bomb
moral situation no ye no ma be ba
akota da bi edresa na ye be ye no
it is
ehu entokwa
on say ya ntokwa we no geopolitically no wuntimi nyi hu free yeah, now maybe come between those who support America, who support the other side. But and talk we shall say Iran, Israel talk we say almost women be kura if France or Israeli no kura France, and no baby wura Iran, and no baby no so baby Muslimi sumana atum. To one no the bigger empenu for Iran nyina ma men de no twitwi wo mu nyina hu obi ate nti ansa na Israel be no ma kontokwa no na wo man de intel pi ama wo mu nti no eno no on bomb no no mo no kwa they were bombing the people with, and then leaders nti no mo nti ase nti afenunim nti security wo mo ka cha wo senator dia na empanimfo no so what ashama kokwa train shaye so what in Shayeswa, Cocotra, so yet the woman was able to give them the information. Yes, our bomb woman. And to him, Oba, so Israel, and now call or far France be right run.
I'm the Nico as a spy.
And now, or when I was a journalist. And I say a minister's ring now will be a fear homogeneous. Pictures I know training now, or baby or corner. Skiddies or a single be a trip to mammy could share pictures in now, come out. Yes, and son and my dream bombs are there's this woman. Omo ye omo CCTV you know be say picture bi na wo mu say mama na adwane be 4-5 days ago adwane sa ko and you know wonu na be ye say adwuma we nyina ma Israel 40 meter target these prime areas omo no di Iran so na ntokwa we no me dem hu ni say sa Benjamin Netanyahu no this is about his third time about president ewo we nya obana there's a guy a woman bi ni picture no ho na Benjamin Netanyahu Israel omo no onye ade wow
that's yes almost speculate say
me ono one na kwese adwuma ni nyina na Benjamin Netanyahu won say yen Ghana de koto aba adidie no onom and koto Israel for koto aba yeah yes, ni picture yes, this is the woman
yes
and na kwese adwuma we nyina na Israel for koto aba o man de o mbedie nka ho de omobo ne ho ban and Netanyahu and this is theater ade emra the on say 2 or 1.5 years ago emra omokoto omo hwe ye ha ema Syria for ekoto bomb kokoto Israel no ena kofa ntokwa we nyina ha se ba yo omo kon say Syria afi no ntokwa no akakodi Iran for so na ntokwa we on America there America I don't saka Israel I don't saka America na is on my don't saka na on my own I didn't want to say since we are saying the last bear to take 25 years and the course we are CBA Republicans they supporting Tokwa mentias these people always support leaders from George Wakabu Senior.
Republicans those who sponsor them to the highest Omo sponsor Republicans. They deal with ammunitions.
And the what?
They deal with oil. Republicans, when the world becomes
Peaceful,
unpeaceful, their big men thrives. When you go to the Republicans, Clinton buy Obama buy yes. We quite about 4 years ago. I don't see an so on Contokwa.
Joe Biden,
Joe Biden, so crown Contokwa. We buy on 4 years. I am a Contokwa. No one in Crawford to Abetiano.
And it's all Modena Bar.
And Modena Bar, I got some massacre.
Cratchy Cocon.
So, 92, 94. Iraq, Kuwait. Now, make a faculty Kuwait for it. Now, and Saddam Hussein.
Iraq.
And on by a most propaganda about two Saddam Hussein to say weapons of mass destruction, which wasn't true.
Because they wanted to,
and the same media against Iran.
Iran there it has shown say more nuclear but it did not call for this attack.
Iran on say sa a bomb by am when beauty whatever no and weapon of mass destruction David able to produce weapon of mass destruction ya we more than $15 billion this guy ketwa
Tebio
and you know America for no
nuclear we know when him said the ghost no it carries nuclear bomb.
Yes. It carries nuclear reactions. But I don't know. Say a core 70 kilometers down.
Almost 200 meters feet down.
Say assassin to me.
Nuclear wise no ya. Nuclear wise no ya mra. Over to the home from mano. Yes. Begin to kill masses.
But when they say
every living organism
and for this particular nuclear reaction accusation with Iran, $15 billion.
Now, $50 billion.
The America will be Iran, America, maybe Iran. Oh, you baby. Like Iran will be at you. Iran will be. I come to the dad and then come here with me.
Asante, Iran bet
investment wise too.
Oh, Asante.
Any other people?
Why you baby?
Asante, Iran bought trillions of dollars.
Yes.
They are capable when it comes to funds to do this simple.
Yes.
It is the world order and the world big people.
Yes.
Iran can do this within seconds.
Yes.
Sika. Now we are content over 20% of world's oil. They are some now can as
or close to Nadia Nisi.
Idea is how a Strait of Hormuz here or Monko Silino. So Musilia, as I told you, by the end of month, say a near month answer, sir, no maybe no 2 more. By the end of this month or even the early first week of July. Petrol benchmark obe 100 e wo dwama so
kokora
o my what okay what dey more
e da no petrol wo dwama so yes
America any Russia wo mo no o my no nya adwene o ma won start nuclear program no kra wo say Iran dey o mo ken no o ma nya intel say probably they at one stage
and this has continued for 40 years so we are not talking about today
and you know enya dey say o ba mo mayo emre bia they are looking for any possible accusation bia ni akwa destabilize mo able to reorganize no it will take you some time.
Yes
son of my head and you know Donald Trump who share sa say on Iran a foot to akra Iran so hu ni say baby wo ha o ma ye mfetuo bomb nto ho the holy city which is Saudi Arabia. Say Iran person onya international supporter.
On say Saudi Arabia so the statement about
they shouldn't.
More condemn the Iran e dey here Qatar. Mo feel say it is a brotherly attack.
Enye
na ni kwan say omo and omo ye ready so omo be support Qatar. Say if Qatar so decide they say
defend themselves
Iran for
Iran ya onya
the Middle East share Qatar o makaka omo yi.
Yes.
Oil also omo dey ba omo twentwen so. Saudi Arabia the moment about the OPEC nations no they see no Russia also ka oil for who power Russia also support Iran but onyi nanim
yes Russia for no say omo check here say omo nananum bi omo kwechekere Russia man no na omo nti free Israel and na America for so nananum omo kwechekere America no na omo nti free Israel nti ama say ntokwa na eko no unza konta meni asante anya asem na se ebia me busuam ase me nu fire busua kro antokwa na ase o be pata se on pata na wayi wani meanwhile so hu de ekoso nyina na ase wayi wani
and I see say Russia no already no on kunu ntokwa nwie
mo
ewo Ukraine it won't even divert attention ma say na Russia ni ntokwa sisi a na na China afa akire di containers akoma Iran until yanhwe ya the G5 and the G7 no me ade no
America
omo de omo ba be for ya
yeah ntokwa we no ntokwa we enye China ni interest a wo mu China ni interest no nim Donald Trump on the surface once when China yakun when Russia yakun but behind the scenes no they are the well allied omo na rule now say no sa Strait of Hormuz now my Donald Trump aka China for say omo no madam for pan Iran
Tomne omo nkasa she
na omo nyai Strait of Hormuz number say omo close no sanema no because they are looking at the bigger problem to the whole world.
Parliament in Iran has approved unanimously.
Yes.
And you know, when Parliament has approved, the Hormuz Strait shall be closed.
Akota de hwe amama na ewo omu yusu Hormuz
Oman
Strait.
Omu nyina say oil for power.
Saudi Arabia, Iran
now. Omu nyina do ne be fa o.
Omu de oil ne fa e de brewi ase. Enti eba sa Saudi Arabia oil ntimi ma.
No, Oman oil ntimi ma. Iran na so mfa nko.
Iran na mfa nko. Baby te say Afghanistan, Quran, Pakistan fo enum nyina na so omu nyina
eje kakra free ho.
Ho no mo akota mine no your friend say Benjamin Netanyahu.
Bibi your friend uko Israel friend
Bibi oba do pento kwa
akota Israel prime minister no ena omo nkasa nche no wakubia eye
what is one here
wakubia ehwe yesi omo omama mere mu no omo nhyesie mu no se abrebia Israel ewo akon mu no omo nto aba nti se bedi mfie wa ha
na be say
abana no matter
na abana no care want ya na be say
is benefit
anything that Bill Clinton say Bill Clinton say as long as Israel is at war no it benefits Netanyahu to stay in power.
Benjamin Netanyahu in 75 years.
Yeah, so omu jai politics, opposition, political parties comes together to join government, you know.
Okay, movie be I share no titimbre mu your friend no Entebbe raid.
Yes.
Israel phobia ye hijack omo. Ama terrorists be ko hijack omo ayina omo de plane ko see Uganda Entebbe airport. And Israel for Eddie soldiers ko attack woman na omo ko je Israel for na ya woman ewo Ugandan airport that time na Idi Amin na ye ayi ho Israel raided ayi Uganda Entebbe airport and omo ko je omo krofo na general no Ethiopia no Netanyahu ni na nane sa general no
indeed on the
general na Ethiopia no Netanyahu na nano no
ye wo ne to ntokwam.
Oh, yeah,
Israel, Ehud Barak, Shimon Peres, Ishak Rabin. Oh no, mubo nuti no. One you go sign pact. Ewo America. Camp David. One
Donald Trump. You know, Bill Clinton.
David. That time na ne was Bill Clinton, but meka ni. Oh. Yasser Arafat.
Yes, yeah.
Only Yasser Arafat got signed a pact. Ishak Rabin by Yano, Abraham TV. On my whole chromo or bonitio. Small boy Kuno.
Akota Iran, Persia for any Israel for you. So Mufi say we are senator. So Mudi or Mudi, we know Mamma. Oh, woman call no Munya the Academy.
Okay,
yeah, we wouldn't idea about could offer them our Donald Trump ban or catch Iran, Syria for the same. Or more high Israel for it. So what per se, what a cheap crew for.
I also got cheap crew from our
Eddie Among
Iran
for Syria for the 2 fever.
No, moon 2.
Obiti the crew.
What I say, so because the way I'm more high Israel.
Who to the front of
resettlement.
Obiti the crew now, no, in history in the
oh, Syria, mine. Syria say arms any ammunitions alcohol the last 4-5 years. Sea rice virtually dead.
Yes.
And your man be contribution the world economy is virtually zero. And it's about Iran nan commercial hoarding. Iran say omo kremo panyin pana wa fi.
Ayitola.
Aha dwene. And Iran they are all doing any means to retaliate against Israel.
Now you say also omo leader, the supreme leader, no money baby owo.
And
they are easy target ma omo. But
Donald Trump
we know exactly where the so-called supreme leader is hiding. He's an easy target, but it is safe there. We are not going to take him out, at least not for now. But we don't want missile shot at civilians or American soldiers or our patience is wearing thin. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
Now my
we are simping for my
gentlemen, wame mamunsia no na mene memrante no yenje ye local politics.
But say Kenswati bakuma se ne ho.
Kenswati.
Wo ba mekwa kwaka chance won Fredu na
ya na Kenswati ya Swati papa no okay nyo
Kenswati wo ba
de we jane na so no ye
mam ya comments ye nyina ye omoma ya no
odi omo beba it was the you say
is the last one there said 20 something na
omo nyina beba
akuta na 3 biba mampon
and 3 na buy
3 na akuta omo ye mere wakora no
omo
me enye yiri ntiram ko yo me show mu ti omo na ntu no omo to nam se ai
so omo na ya omo
na mo kura mo nyiri
omo ahadu guwa na omo da yi kakra bi ase omo na peja omo na ye se
na me bompa se ntoma ni hu kakra
ba waheno
hu kakra
waheno odi hino we Solomon no
we said woman ye
Solomon no
akuta beautiful lady
Solomon no
and wunya otwi wari from 18 ko wunya 18 no pewa
afi bia
on besa no ayi ba ko
beautiful
nti asane ya bo masan ka bo mo asabosu bia
ntoma na se etwa wo mo half say na ntimi inframa ntimi ho
e ma na ye 22
so papa na to no
ono awo ba we slow too for and then ye ize okroma awon for be comment share pa na omo kala no ho
beautiful
ebi ni ho I is a South African ni ba kala
yes omo fe
ya wa ye o je mi jawa abusa for ye to aso afri ya she ono aso ni otimi bo suit nyina o kin swati de jajajai ono ye friend wo di hine o na mo de I Junior Solomon and obviously so is a great ipa nya some keto and na mensia enya agro kra kin swati neba so be the best some days kra wa had mo okay Hussein now I want to say Razak so but obi emia na iso kama aso but obi aso why na so green and now I don't know about so green why so
na ya otia nti
to do no okay the world order is changing. It looks like the world is at war. Ebasa ye na war ha no kuma no ye na ye hu na mane na enon ewo ho anopa MPP flag bearership race July 19th omo call Lagos versus Sports Stadium 31st January omo kotoaba akofa nsmp aba we election e olusu ye kremoni onye kremoni stika asem na akofa nsmp aba pa NDC for the omo why say no ma choke mo be kunkum ho amode mo kunkum ye de wo man bu
supporters say dunkatia
o supporters say dunkatia
no Julius Zebra sorry
o support Julius Zebra one one support Julius Zebra
me no say
ale Hussein oba aka cho so support obi
o Julius say me
NDC for mo say nye abato obekọ 2028 na hia o ye say o man ni bu o be ha toto ne ma de ama o man Ghana de hia o MPP for mo na mo ne ma hwegu te mo nhihye ni ye Hussein say aseye ho ye
oh
minister aseye ho to say
in fact eneme ko ye kama bibia e boko nso so ho no we recently edi ka mechel in fact number about me ba me follow mu nema mo keka ni nyina no ma hu se na me ba pe nyine bo ama no so appeal and I say court da ho abobo
go appeal go do baby
yeah because anya ba wi
and
it can affect your government. You know that?
Yes, I know.
It is a dicey issue for His Excellency the President.
I know, yeah. And I'm very happy. I think say CCA in Amuda Betum say Omanhene Yaw South Africa.
Yeah.
Or Bahanim Kinswazi or Bahanim say. Na Nebanumun original minister and they came in Shebi Guakwemu, a proper Santimamu, okay, last week say Saturday no. District BI clean up your all the district call things you call all the districts now Omoye Jumana Kama Amanda sentiment more for him say I only dear no a coson kakran.
Okay.
See your damas your bomber basun so.
Okay. What's what I must say to say?
Oh, Nyamadu, you're money. Medasi said, or mama opportunity say in Ghana for a new command of pay. Platform here, platform Cassie. So, my and Cassie now in the Casana say, he has shown respect and I say he's values you. And I many answers so Hussein, very brilliant young man, many edgy, a coin of us in Juma, Manache. And King Swanti of free Swaziland. Estwani, it is almost the emperor Estwani. Our free Estwani, but so honest so Yaman Akwaba. T. Omanhene Yaw, your crew.
My own shade.
A man for say, economy. In fact, I say bank ADB of one of the banks. The dollar was 9.9, and it was our bank on, but still.
My issue is
why
is the dollar declining as against the cedi and yet prices of goods are still high? Is it a matter say Ghana dwedifo no mutima yedene and now say they anticipate say dollar no betima sa pigentino na old stock no nti ever since our dollar no tie it's almost about 2 months. Are they telling us that they've not depleted their old stock yet? Are we seeing some sabotage somewhere?
Maybe we say many omudi bia so kasa de bia na ma on the street.
When you omudi
bia ya omoye. So minye bi dia baby. But say o kasa de bia
but you know ni ma de cross just o catch the idea ba there no.
So be bia say ya ban. Cost rob from na woman any excuse ni explanation bia o maka to say ya ban tabane na do. You cannot just ultimate carry a bacacho say.
Okay.
The CNN no Omanhene and yen start. Generally, I also have that concern that I am say Ghana for Timamu for na Ankasa it's more than Kakra. Say bad trading generally. Sana ma agents so AM. So offshore prices and goods and services or abontia. And more than Kakra. All indicators say no saying ma sa factors in prices in our buffer. All indicators are good, they are well. But still, ye nyan said there, ye nyan. Unfortunately, we say free market. And to be a catcher will say, and you now determine a coin of us or enter on number. In Tenuya now tie a buying Kakra. Generally, no, we say a concept in the Bayana are buying answer Apple kind because
the dollar is 0.98.
Yeah, 0.98.
The dollar is 0.98. Took $100. What it means is
$100 at all. $990 cities.
990 and 980 cities. Also to mean dollar, which means at every 1,000 crowd.
Yes,
and yet, Oko Joshua. See tomatoes no na 50 Ghana. Ko 51
crap. 51 Ghana. So in general, and now the issue is this: you have free market. You need under price control system. Into your free market, you find it difficult
to intercept or
and also
interrupt the system
or even bring in regulation. Ideally, no. And Quebec say this are buying, but they are buying have no capacity. The capacity no war so or the back no mo bebre no man a price no man only sa capacity no this say ya maximum phone ebam they are also exploiting the system against the vulnerable 80 srene be srem ye nyina yensa enyepe first we say mini share no she t-shirt the last 3 months ni de bia we be she bia polycacid different colors and different
this is mischief. This is
the
highest form of mischief. Who said that narrative the dynamics assessor and you now also 3 months not 6 months ago there
so best is was fugi everyone na me now
but time
dey can say omuntu you see den obeka chose on the cotton normal but let's
I think traders are not being fair to us
and reason
at all
and reason because all indicators are first of all body ato say car bo ayedin and anyes na eka obeka ya last before say be to aba body no omo say o ne bo ayedin ko bi say omo say o car your friend say fuel price was so drivers and ne fuel price e wo from relatively from you nim dey basic tomorrow future there because of the cost war Asia Pacific Asia but Pacific but the nim say generally no the price of the foreign currency and the price of your friend is saying crude oil no above from uboko oil pumper e wo form how obetima to nti any factors are map prices ahead the cost and then Omanhene there no be a untimi you can't do politics.
I say dollar no so ya na interbank rate ne beto but black market for no almost say because we call banks is here now so per dollar. Probably even if you have USD account, you can't get $20,000 this year.
No, it's 10,000. They will give you 10,000.
10,000 the highest no is because they will take it. And they will travel documents. I coach say we the two kwan. Ghana ha na we dey bibi kura o farmer. Ghana have the amount why 5,000.
The amount why 5,000.
But we the two kwan you can get 10,000. But the other cranium man only sika or the cranium man we hear almost about $300,000. And or the air containers so obeko black market he is able to get it. Why can't we get it in the other banks?
Unim bibi so minim dia unim bibi so minim so usina experiences are there ubon say black market nipa na akwakoto dollar no dollar na odebe ma no
obeko akwaje your bank
it has been sealed
me say obi catch me say me pay $20,000 me man some fuel na or call ne bank aba. But maybe call bank what? Send the panel black market or call bank no. Only travel documents be out.
Only she.
Yeah, the baba no.
And yet on one puna or sumana or say call bank asimisi call bank manager no my friend no. Or call $1 dollar. Utu on the pakone the dollar number maybe 100,000 sealed one. Yeah, sealing no. No seal no the aba no the amount. And to set up challenge I almost so because the banks have the dollars. But Mijidi said,
Mummy, and rate 24th and Raya 23rd. Give me today's rate. Yeah, take it off.
This is it.
Tuesday 24th. Ah, okay. Thank you.
Well, and Chubong said, black market no dollars because some of the bank managers, the dollars in the Emma or Momo or black market said they are Otonga and for Sona over banner. No ne nache e bank ono
we see a good
so generally no sir e no omo ye in am my friends black market e power over the bank your friend is saying transaction because black market omo tresca and obi enu release card dem omo in this can eba bank bank money is in this can e come more
yeah nim on the political discussion what do you make of the ekoso igama so with this trade war and then quickly let's first look at Ghana needs an opposition, a vibrant one, who is a government in waiting at every point in time. Hussein, the NPP for Ashasi, how do you see it?
All right. Edi kan me da wase ne akonya odi amame. Mr. Boabasubio na machia
Razak,
Mr. Razak. Born homo de man na political party and I know say emabunu bebe na so hwe so esu na kakra but sometimes mischief na ya na ofesi kakra Omanhene me de on say nka metimbe bi na metwi bonto
because me dwene me ho na
Oni adagye ade ware
me nya adagye am de yes but oman ni nyina ye kyekere oman ni be ya e free ejina me ne wo so MPP government goes government comes NDC ba MPP ba mentina kasa fidie so nka say NDC in position bio what I say you make a position maybe somewhere 2040 something more
hey
yes but here a vibrant and I say here opposition na because opposition we the omutime boa ema the government to do on ne to be on his toes to work hard assiduously say na be a Ghana for how omokom no obeye ni na ade ama omo but MPP me hunu say MPP enye na first year so me opposition party a me can say mo di me am from the largest opposition party CCA me hunu say MPP the largest
biggest political party in Africa the biggest political party
CCA me hunu say MPP the largest opposition party bio is I think it's a share money you mo yiro mo kakra o mo never be DNDC achi because it's so sure yes unity is strength without unity the mo be yeni nyina ni won ma betima ayede SCP praye say would prefer praye ba ko pese empra ema na ye ade se oka praye ni nyina de bomu asa na what me dia pra ma na ye na ne MPP ayampia ene mokoshow a mu twidi ye omo ho e political party a omo ankasa de say e omo party omo do no who say sebi eso sebi nyado empenifo party ne mu e wo so omo sori waka e ye nema fa ho anya sade a bebi a party ne ko no emwa Ghana democracy no you know what and the me de kakra ne say Mr. Razak or you Muslim na me tie say bi mu so ye tribal faction say sa nima we atwa mo obi say Alhaji Baumia Ghana ye Christian country Alhaji Baumia we kremoni ye nto abama wo so na mo say nkofo twitwa de to social media even youth crank and mabuna fe na mo bakro no mo kaseti ase that tribal thing that ethnocentric and yema ni nyina no e wo say ye free political system a you see me Ghana ye practice mu na ye hu say ye nyina ye baako Ghana ye baako regardless o say we kosasi ni we mampurusi ni we kremoni we eyini intimate ye na make say party amu nyina amodon Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia obeye oye kremoni what you say oye kremoni bado kremofo bebere na so no problem oni ne mabia oye ho ba ye den a oso oye kremoni into oye kremoni inti say mo ko election say ya mo make sure say o sell candidate no we eniema bi to say religious and then sa ethnocentric free mu na boa say na be ya Ghana for be hu say oh candidate A candidate B any bit ma boa ma party na eden akoso yi na o ma to abade amomo na nde ayampia kese bubo mu die mission people before you know one thing and now so me hu say obi so you have rich ideas ndra na me tie brofo bi so Alhaji Baumia na Kennedy akompre ko Japan or say also rich ideas Alhaji Baumia
very rich ideas
Alhaji Baumia so rich ideas with me dey aboa Ghana economy but want me emphasize ideas no and man reality and me tell us some na say MPP over ideas here rich ideas Alhaji Baumia so we and rich ideas here na make ko DDP mu ana na uni Ghana ye ma me no papa no haircut and rich idea idea ya na ye tigana hanim say ye ka chesi ye ntimi ntua okay Fourth Republic what is that Baumia ka ntimi ntua bio as head of economic management team what ideas na ye ka na ye ntimi ntua ye ka many yen rich ideas ni na ye lucky or Eurobond market rich ideas na inflation call 54%. Rich ideas how can nyina iron rod 16 mm how be free 2,600 all free so no even with your rich ideas so they call 9,400 cedis cement how be 27 Ghana cedis with your rich ideas all the cement no equal over 80 Ghana cedis rich ideas how be petrol a gallon 16 cedis a gallon over equal almost 80 cedis. This is not what Ghanaians here. The Ghana for here, near my NDC ban ye by Edi Gugu Kwemu and Sasaye Eba.
nti sɛ ɔmo rich ideas no mo ka ne deɛ mesrɛ ɔmo yɛ de ehu bibia ɛwɔ mu a ɛbɛboa na metie Kennedy nso no ideas no ɔno so ɔno otimi turn into reality Kennedy deɛ no otimi turn into ne yɛsɛ bia odi ɔno ane party for atem me Kennedy akompra kwa Japan me say me ni problem bia ba me ka sɛ nyina yɛ politics ɛna tekyerema wo yi empro politics asɛm bi wɔ hɔ no ma ɔka yɛsɛ political sin yɛmfa nkyɛda so what is asɛm no da Omanhene wadi bɔne okeka nsɛm kyerɛ utimi do party for atem when na say kra no say hiafo is what so say hiafo so am is MPP for kra te hiafo FM stations what here abronya te hiafo FM station because o say mo hiafo me na me to is in some time no o hwe Ghana sikafo na bebre na akasa no o hwe mo kasa ne yi a hwe ye wura Ibrahim Mahama hwe wura despite also mo nkasa basa ono ko dun so gina bi kasa haphazardly because he has the money and it can be controlled no.
There is this survey from African Policy Lens.
Yeah.
Almost say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia remains the front runner with about 70.16% of the MPP respondents. But Kennedy Japan wields about 21.4%. But when you go nationwide, supporters of NDC support Kennedy Japan. Those who are connected to NDC, not necessarily card-bearing members, but almost at 2024, almost down what they say, almost say NDC mra power no. As a almost a bank Kennedy chamber or me, almost pay by me.
All right.
Which means in any day, if Kennedy Japan back. Say MPP at Obama. There are people who voted for NDC in 2024. It's likely they will vote for Kennedy.
All right. Let me be honest here. Me too. I don't support any of them. A report here by NDC as a political party and as a member of the regional and the national communication team member. One of them in fact, say so many na yemboka shiri.
Kennedy
ni Alhaji Bawumia. De ba ne kokoba mu yahimfo. Onye krobo form.
Na mumu nyanyi mu dio.
Me na make cho say NDC ye bibia ye different though.
The supporting Julius Debra.
NDC ye bibia ye different. What is say ye ba be call ye elections. What is say Rakomoni Ramahama. We tutu ayampia na we tutu ayampia what bibisa. What is say Ramahama kra ko gina ba bia ka asem bi etia Rakomona do for what bibisa. What is Rakomona na do for ko gina ba bi aka asem e be hye Ramahama bu for what bibisa. Da bi NDC me say fake ni neck na ye wo no. Enye MPP for fake omo neck no omo so omo ni bi.
Functional executive no.
Omo functional executive ni bi na ye hu. Ye de na ye wo no. Empenifo no mo wo no. Omo fra kwa na obeti na omo nim na so omo kasa akire wa. Obo say yes. In fact, omo do party ni musuko ni party na mamre ne na mane ne mebeboa party no. Nti ye ka kire na wutia wa na ebeboa wo. Me no ka say NDC started ye training emabunu no so se na be ya daachi no. Suni ne pa empenifo ne da na di nti no omutimi control party ne ma basa ye
beba mumu
ibeba yemu no o kan ye wura na bi o se asu ni mfaso sa party school ne se ye tie
ese aso matibi
ene omuso matibi nti omusuensu NDC nkakra nti NDC de different from the MPP.
But there's a hurdle. There's a big hurdle ahead of you for 2028 flag bearer. You know it's a tough task for
you.
It's
not tough task. You know
you don't see it like that.
NDC one. Me can say we na or can say general Asedun Ketia.
Julius Debra.
Yepe Julius Debra.
Here, you Asedun Ketia on several platforms. So, ena journalists for Bisano say Matisse so ba be ye flag bearer ama NDC. O se there be enye no ne de e den. Ehia ne sisi enye ne de odwene ho. De odwene ho ne ye say ene Ghana ya ete Ghana ha nim se ye ho betoye. Enema na esusan ba da na anye ne be ne ye ne ho atoye. Omanhene se NDC etimi bu oman ni yie even 60% kra na metimi aka catch us say ye de Hussein me e de me to ballot paper no so kra na Ghana for Benjamin too. Mechanical natural. And the MPP from Refi, Era John Dramani Mahama. Onyemrew. Era Mahama, only to me talk 16 regions nyina. Alaji Bawumia campaign to na okoye. Na regions ni bi wonum kura na obutumu so wabreye ba Era Mahama. Age wise no. Era Mahama nti Alaji Bawumia. But share ni proactiveness. Share the way I know see ye ejuma. Enti na dey beto Obama no. Oh, because Era Mahama legacy nema ne legacy term here was say what dey ba. Enya adekoto no ye no. Enti fa ne say legacy na mpa otimi live legacy no. No odi obi animu ana odi obi achi. So on nipa no koye campaign. Me legacy no me na me ye wetu o me pese obeto aso no esi ya. O ka say Ghana for nto ana. Enti MB before say you kwado unim omusro Era John Dramani Mahama. Initially no munim say Era Mahama na ebeba. And NDC be ye constitution because omu ehu aka omu nti no omu start aye nema bi ahwe. Omu ye ya Ghana for static say Era John Mahama de o ye yikura no. Ope kura asesa constitution ne sa ko 3 times afa ma yidi. Omu si da bi enja sasam ne ka because asema e kan Ghana for bu say fukura e ka say ye be say economy no. And the wabe ye economy ni ya mo say be sabotage no say ope so sa tana so bebrebe nti no ye nema ye then on tana so videos me bebrebe wan ka so man no hu. Ghana for cry sufre say Era Mahama say akonya no da hokra na on san ko ne term but ono no se nye de woni trim no de woni trim ne so pese uja legacy e de say sibo ye nka say amina donko $58 million legacy Era Akufo-Addo jaye legacy ye nka say $34 million Era Akufo-Addo de ma ne ba contract so onko procure ambulance legacy e timi de ma ye ba so onko painti with over $20 million so onko painti ye overhead ase legacy $12 million yetimi dika say polygon multipurpose dam ye hu bibia say the make out say yes legacy ni bi ne Era Mahama so peso oja wo o peso oja legacy Ghana economy no Fitch S&P Moody's Standard & Poor Moody's say be rate say economy ni B-, economy ni stable economy na momenye economy amumuja ya na ye aru the restricted default when legacy Era Mahama say oba beja Era Mahama beja legacy oja bi 2016 abra o twa photo bebre o hwe energy sector esla o hwe stabilization fund o hwe GIF Ghana Investment Infrastructure Fund o twitwa sa ne mani nyina gu odisika 2 mu kakra sa legacy ne bi ne se babeja openyini se wo mana se wantima anja o ma japade a se bi mpedu asa Nyankopon eje o kra firi se ma nkura no isi da so ma bra bo be ye den basa Era Akufo-Addo wantima anja japade o se eja ye ECG over 60 billion eka 60.8 billion, Cocoa Board 32 billion. We share all the agencies. Eka omoburu to a Bank of Ghana more than quadrillion. Eka obo omabo omai. Enti Ghana for ye de ye nka omasemu. Mo amunim niema ayeko. Era Mahama de name egu akwemu. And one thing I make can say entokwa asi me de bia meka Ghana mintimi nka say aban bia beba aba bebu omai no so. Abra onya bibi e friend exogenous what exogenous bia nya den ember factor bia no e beba aba affect no matter the government den ya obenya external shock bi exogenous shocks dey beba but how are the prudent measures enemo de begu akwa mu e beboa ene me no kase na me go through online and me who say is it bent crude oil or mate friends a barrel no so from $80 to $71 per barrel. Enti do minim say mpenifo so de name egugu akwa mu yem pese Ghana form pese o mo beti say Russia Ukraine o kan Russia Ukraine by MPP for Russia Ukraine even Ukraine ho no Russia ho no a bomb etoye no now my inflation rate in 2024 was 9.1%. But 2024 na nkasa na mo ko over 23%. Enti difference ni eden ewo ho. E na Ghana form person beti. Ghana form person beti say yes say Iran ene entokoya Iran for ni ayifo queen. Israel for queen. E be kwa yes say COVID-19 ba ye na MPP COVID na COVID munya sikan mu mismanage sikano to the extent say COVID sikana mo de election related mudi tuetu say ye fan to about Northern Regional Women's Organizer so much chairman for and na Ghana form person Era Mahama baby ni Era Mahama so no nye bi enti ebeba
okay
eba minim say de nima bi gu akwa mu se na ebeba because o hwe bi o Middle East no so more strategic baby a omutimi supply oil we na e course no it will definitely affect
the supply of oil and a supply and so affect supply and a price also will definitely go up. And I think say Ramahama to say me bra ika ye no Ghana I say na kasi ni a price control mechanism you free be a friend ceiling and you be a friend floor a balance a ceiling ni say and your man born across there are some essential goods be on ma abani because we dey and I'm say me person the cost of living the standard of living Emma Ghana for back from no this particular essential goods no monte so
okay
and the floor no so the same thing cost room meaning say as time goes on no
you be who so okay my member Abdul Razak
Dora my that say they can say internal elections or political party bia nsema AC ade a AC what things so nti na control over those comments no na na den but they been so na unfortunate say maybe sa aba they na your Steve Amo make his statement and I'm in fact I'm a moderator of that particular program LKST.
Oh okay.
Yeah. But waka the I me then say enura o say asem na waka no opacho it means asem na ni hobium nti whoever is bothered with comments na opass here no you will say ka say nsema waka na enura no o twa san we party penny me gidi say babu na omo party mu enne so we politics na ye boy you rest kadi a obagina ho na wati na wahwe no because of your friends track record our party especially in this region you can test come here or make isa comments in or home so you can test come or basically sticker is test come anything about test come here is sticker until me this a party for no at the election and then again when you free and fair election or baby or might be a muda then one or two people will have issues about a process maybe a collection of results and I say input declaration. One of two people will have we understand and we appreciate the course of saying, you know. The can say party leadership in better say no matter so address all the concerns are with regard to election because but first of all there's no issue because omo complaining about the process you know obi enu wetima say constitutionally no National Executive Council NEC from so and also omotate a part no constitution so be no what maka bibisa just that amount for fee say they may I think some people are not ready for the contest enti omo issues one or two be omo ka ho ase but constitutionally NEC enye from so be a chere say baby say and people were talking about ebi ade na anya polling station election and sa na ye baba ye we no Omanhene polling station for any amituwe me mandate as a constituency officer no ebe ended somewhere April next year ana me constituency officer me mandate be ended and say me mandate be ended next year next party na emra emakwan say ye betimi ato abampo a flag bearer and say na police station is other concerns and I say national officers na kran menjin di say obi atia mra bia because one ye careful now kasa o ye police station election here the kind of anarchy any lacuna be create your party constitution no e bia na want me answer so the safer way ni say be was and me ni obi answer ya adwene say to presidential primaries ni ewia your kwanya bebre ho a ye di be CC party no insem kekawa kakra na aba party mini obia adwene sa because and the biggest issue I was to say parliament other your friends say elections are polling station na akwa constituency base enti ehun problem solve no enya ade a eheda den megidi say presidential primaries no oho na problems challenges in nyina wo enti megidi say party for nyina ye nyina ebe so the neck e kan no because neck explanation of the man eto asumu enti na almost all the candidates will be no or issue with regard to neck issues some normal the buy will be no issue because they call neck there was only one dissenting I was vote nipa be 78 na call neck meeting nipa ba ko pe and also on for so on so want man justify the entire on for so you no feel say there was a police station election and say na yakoye and the party for na catch and say no but this is what the constitution is also saying as you so any bibia say you violate party no constitution now fa betuja nipa ko na ntimi anye sare in case mpo in any case Omanhene nipa ko no so enye obi a ye beka say is aligned to Kenya Japan nipa ko no nye obi a ye beka say aligned to Kenya Japan it's not permitted say obo nipa ko no di because me tina na me no but nipa ko no is not aligned to Kenya Japan ye beka say Kenya nipa mpo ene oppose ye it means obi o honum bia ejitum and neck it take decision and ye bia kodua anase na bi na take decision is the party which has taken the decision neck here ye kan ho asemi ye wura president Kufuor o kan ho neck here ye kan ho asemi ye wura Nanado o ye member neck here ye kan ho asemi ye wura Kobna Gye Japan o ye member ye wura Paul Afoko o ye member ye wura Macmenu e ye member nti adenti na ye beka se sampanyimfo nyina omu nyina obi a ndi so omu no ma take decision a be favor one person. I think we are not being fair. The party people or whoever is criticizing without any basis on is not being fair to the members of the NEP. Michidi say party and I say Omanhene take decision. It might not be no ebia wompe. Nkofo e kofa tutuboton levy edibre na ye omunkwa nepe Ghana for mpe. Nto muji tu mu say enye no ana o ma twa asan. Nti sa decision bi aba sa neti. No mind, it's so surprising. Now, Minya Hussein is talking about legacy. I say, you're a major legacy. Now, I say, no. Everyone power because why? I am say, and Yemongo be brave, but Sal legacy na you're a mama giant. Oh, see, I say, no, Sal legacy in a server back. Bear 1 week ago, what you say, teacher training and answer nursing training for. Omo feeding a day more 3 times a day. You say, I tell so, you just about one. Wanti. So what? Nancy what say? Education minister say. Ye na share boss and headmaster for your musika ma ko to eduane. E ba makwan ma ko to eduane ma ye reverse. Ya reverse. So what? What say? Ghana for a complain say 8 years. You run another Dubai. No mo na dusu mu ya fa bibia an kame omo se muntu esika se ansa na anya like say muntu esika se ansa na anya like say but nan saying what say you 2.5 days ya anya careful ye ntu esika se ya ye lights be off BBC be tuen ni nyina legacy a previously so be ka ya yura mama edijaye in 2016 we say when you want light you have to pay more. Sa legacy na ya sa back ene e wo Ghana no en ho asem na wo say ne kan enye legacy ayede no ka say ye jao Akufo-Addo jao friend say energy sector a friend said oh he was mentioned a 600 million b.
I said ECG a car omoja to 60.8
ECG.
Yes, ECG.
ECG.
Yes, not the energy sector. The energy sector.
Okay, ECG car.
The ECG car, the energy sector, and not as an what do you call it, agency and as enterprise.
Okay.
America, they are 40 billion. A car model IPPs near, for fuel, that's 3.5.
So you know how manage energy sector near. Because of mine, say come managing of energy sector, they come no near. You look for free abemu, oja energy sector no. In total, energy sector carried $940 million. That was in 2009. 2008. I work for a free office or the moment 20. Or move free by Mune saying. Now 2.6 billion. 2.6 billion, and I say 2.1 billion. I stand to be corrected. Within 2.1 to 2.6 billion. You free abam yeja almost say. And yet 3.1. And you know, when I increase the number of debt, energy sector. In any case, omo free abam mukwa, omo jai Ghana for ni light. For 4 years continuous, na Ghana for no muntimi da light mu. Ghana bedani Nigeria. Bebi obo bia na your friend is saying. Generator. Bebi a factor, a variable factor obi antimi enu achini. Ye wura Nanado free abamu. Na sa asam no na enu honom. So Ghanaians didn't know it. Ghanaians has forgotten that no matter the sumusa. And she said, "Do omo ye na ade foforo e wo Ghana fo ni so omo suensu." And she did not Omanhene legacy papa bia also Ghana for the car. Omanhene legacy papa bia also Ghana for the car. And no also say your friend is saying Omo mfo papa e wo party omo kasa amanfo ti na de. Oh, who send the refi? Me I will pardon him. Oman dey Nancy or Fonka game election.
You are talking about 2007.
No, Fonka game was not 2007.
2012.
2012. Fonka game was 2012.
No.
Yes.
Funga Games was 2011.
Yes.
When Professor Mills came.
2011, 2012.
2011.
2011. Osiki for re-election. And Anyesa.
Now after that, how many years now?
And so, and she almost so bad. Omanhene Yaw, Uncle, you go back and listen to Nsama Yura Otukonomu. I can't find Yura. Friend is saying, Papa no contest say John Mama the last president.
Dr.
Kobradufo. Generally, idea is Ubi no also. But more who said and claim it like MPP for one or say Suban, no Muni say Suban. Man in claim generally idea is which men support because yes, who we are is hardly say which mark party for Nabo. But you should not behave as if it's an man because after Funke game, come out 40 or more party. I and a party, that's what on. Break away, Ebem. Mami now,
what is your situation? MPP, are you on the crossroads or not?
No, we are not on the crossroads. We are not. Oh my, we are not on the crossroads.
Yes, is it a make or break?
Oh, we are
now.
Because me, honestly speaking. Said a medical car earlier.
But are you aligned to a particular candidate? And
obviously, I'm aligned to a particular candidate. But because of Omanhene, I'm seeking to become a regional officer for this party.
Which is?
A regional Nasara coordinator. So say if I'm seeking to become the regional Nasara coordinator, or say me yet careful, let me who say West and I say action be no be free me who aba my party ni Ade Yaw because of me. Maybe I'm aligned.
Okay.
That is my general principle.
But definitely you have already wouldn't be able to
my idea is obi anim say na me support Yewura Mahmoud Bawumia.
Oh, okay.
But say me open declaration, me ba bontin na me ka say na my say no.
Etia other opponents.
Yeah, etia other opponent and other opponent me good friend number of good friends are almost supporting Yewura Kennedy Japan. Some of them have promised that they will make funding available to me. So I have to be very cautious because after the campaign, after the presidential primaries, we all come together to work as a political party. Into whom or West, onye actions. Ebema ubia or tia bonting, obedi wuya because there are some few people who have believe and trust in us. Who general behavior beyond who are like into beyond in your add effect political it is one you careful now so jumpy so by the time I baby now no that is why in this particular election general principle I've taken a principal position that and I'm saying me party penina or some boama prepare a banning tea I will say at least
you want to stay neutral.
I have to stay. As for neutrality,
it cannot be.
And but I have to make sure that my actions
and how be a
party ni bia the about me the war Kennedy the war Brandon Champa as a party leader. I want the person to see me as a leader of the party. Not
a supporter of one.
Not a supporter of any candidate, but a leader of a party. And I'm saying that any of them is capable of leading MPP. Just I have taken a position that at this material moment, I see me sin. And again, Mr. MP, yes, MPs. Said the majority said, "Me cry, me you for organize a party for what you do." No, or the party for no what you do, move play. Former DCs. So much general action. At the dissatisfaction about party. No. So be careful.
Because I be my Bible and things almost endorse about me. Maybe I even see I endorse about me. 220, MP 60. Even see that we no credit constituency. I mean,
81 could do what? I didn't see my drone. One could do what? Sound man Emma. So honestly, me can. In some American TV, my mouth for trouble, but that is my position. Me feel that whoever our matter of party also are cautious in some way between the new number any normal obey because for party unity Emma. Anytime I ever call election biano, the last election you told you call you rock in Japan, Ubina no to make us say this is by far the most fair elections. Ojitum. But you really know, for you experience, you feel something. Because we lose you feel something. So intimacy party for say, yeah, careful. We are not at a crossroad. Just a process.
Okay. Medasi, happy birthday to Theresa Bedu of Bethel Methodist Church, Bruni Krum, from your lovely husband, Mr. Augustine Bedu. William Apeu Adinkra, Hospital Administrator of Adventist Hospital Kumasi. This is coming from Yabuama. Abraham Kusiampofo, aka Wasti of Patasi. This come from your friends. Mrs. Cecilia say you are a nurse at Kenya City Government Hospital, Ahafo region. Augustine Amoa, aka Sir Destiny, Adanse Formina MPP Research Director from your twin sister. And then my twin sister Augustina Amoa from your twin brother, Sir Destiny. I think that's very funny. Anyway, and they Peggett Engineering Company Limited. Peggett Engineering Company Limited were in San Kumasi. Now we are the sole distributors of Perkins and Cummins generator. Every baby, every Wahini Ekrum, yeah, Injilisi, Wahini Krum. I'm talking about UK, the King's country. Now you have 15 kVA, Ecopim 10,000 kVA. A super generator, papa, 15 kVA. A short net, yeah, so your mouth 3-year warranty. A down toy noir generator, not 3-year warranty, na shall say. Yeah, so distributors, Emma air conditioner, friend, a comfy air conditioner. Yeah, papa. And our inverters and so. Yeah, 1.5, 2.0 and 2.5 horsepower. All types of floor standing with free installation and free delivery. Over tower one my Iraqosi Sama and kama. A jinadem hall hoka kraka no ne bottom air conditioning a ball. Bomodina 5-year warranty from the date of purchase. Air conditioners no. A 5-year warranty. And generators no Cummins and Perkins and we are seeing now be ajatum if you UK ton. Your transformers I be install is amount factory wiring so we are beti wujuma kama. We are licensed by Electricity Company of Ghana, so are not fake. Shannon he signed. Your office line is 0500 548 408 0500 548 408 and now 0244 599 124. OCP Ghana yenye ekuafo adamfo bra na yenton fertilizer papa ma wa udia to so de tomatoes ujene mekonom ne ade nyina no okwa was 15 and at 10 OCP me bejime de akugu me mfudi eso ama no bayana banama tisika bomodena ukọ every fertilizer shop bia also pay and a chemical shop bia also pay OCP. Your number is 0555 909 437. Na bibiako so express group you do kwa bruchira ma akusua de wo ko now we am our admission scholarship na ope visa ho nkomodie ticket na ope so ko holidays for be die asafo labor runabout e ho ne wo Kaneshi first light e won cry ye islet start GRE GMA TOEFL abruchire adisua ope suku aye ma wo twro no ye mema o tuition ye aso register mo wa twetwa Frey 0249000448 0249000448. Codis Healthcare Limited. Yay, and I say, ye dwene diabetes, why I am fidie kama. Diabetes, ye yade bonny, a sichiri yade. It was so to me who sugar level every morning, every evening, wokoda. A bema who had the crow was so dear bepower. Because when the Ubertimania diabetes in fear diasa, but was shady diabetes no ye, shasu ye, and I'm so code free, and I code free glucometer plus, code free plus glucometer, and now code free a year glucometer. Ye the aba, it will call pharmacy shops in Ubinyabi. If you kitu become a command so boy chumapa. Ade Akye will be pharmacy. Oson's chemist will be Jab pharmacy and a name. Sax pharmacy. Patasi anymore. Nini Bio Lancer chemist. Your number is 0540647867. 0540647867. Order for Banusio. Ensure near Kanjan and Niger drinking water 8.5 alkaline water. And minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. Or bad near my wounds you will be pepe. It neutralizes acid content. It's a modern the offer. A better regulated will liver, will heart, will kidney. The organs are well functioned. And until make come from us and you be no. And yet drew a yunsua, a woohoo nipedium, the Yamama a friend of Zoom Lion. Number no 0241449191. 0241449191. Afei say sciatica adokro or sciatic nerve night and then or to ase twetwe wo 19 twetwe do maybe our 93 no Fakodan 21st clinic. Shaya building ye mu na Sompa ye wo. Bomodin nebra na yemfa bibidro kan ni machines sisi so ne ma bibidro ne konom na wonto. Frey was 0540-311-311. Apomdin Herbal Clinic. Yen ena se wani ya ya glaucoma. High pressure doctor si abo ani so. Syphilis abo ani so. Long sighted, short sighted eye. Ka ho brɛ. Yade ahodo nyina diabetes, stroke, pressure, hernia, ulcer, gonorrhea, candidiasis. Ni nyina nso so ye hwɛ osisi aye wo ya che. Ye de bibidro kan be kan. Eye Apomdin Herbal Clinic. Dr. Sam Efrel Sefreno 0551 098 961 0551 098 961. Kumasi Sofa Lines. Kwano so aye ni Assemblies of God. A dino edin anymore. Bra. Na yen hwe wo ye. Okay, Hussein. Memre na so. Memo bia a minute wrap up for me.
All right, Omanhene me that say. Na kunyo say dem ami. You know, emre ni hono. Kan say me bre hono ma kan na ka o say metina baba ko pe na metwa ne taw. O say omo manage eye enyinam kania ni yi. Na omo free so no. They have done better than NDC. They can say, you know. Omanhene can attest to the fact say 2016 from a year August ebe nyina come say to abano na kania gina so na yendum kania da meboa Omanhene you can attest to the fact ye be free so no first 5 months na light ejina so yes last 5 months no na light ejina so na yendum kania and I will say e car momoja ye no ye NDC ye ja kan bi more than more than we sure they get to be easy say me use exchange rate now.
You can use exchange rate.
I'm
coming. Cannot use exchange
rate. That time no, the exchange rate na calculate.
You cannot use
exchange rate. The exchange rate na calculate. It is because we
not use exchange rate.
So because the exchange rate never be calculate here there now. NDC would never see this more. Near 9.6 billion cedis. By more, because me use current exchange rate with mumu dia mumu de beka mumu jaya. 40 billion cedis. Intimation, so calculations I know say difference. So yeah, manage economy ni no. Inti na me use exchange rate no. About from ba momo de mo mismanage economy ni no. We use exchange rate na. So even say me cause me use 380 pesos no credit say about from but we use 420 pesos no. Intimation me that say. Na ya da atie phone so any ahwefo so ase. So majebre atie eye Sompa anope na mada Omanhene also production team.
All right. Razak.
Omanhene ya sama make say Ghana for egi ene adanse for one ma o mo kania. Ghana for e hwe kania, one ma o mo kania. Na Ghana for kan. But when seriously on more serious net. Iran, Israel, USA agrona e koso no. Enyagupa. It was serious effect ewo ewiase economy so especially say ma ade we to also in the next 6 months. China might not join, but Russia will eventually join. Because China, they are looking at their trade economy more than BBR. But Russia might eventually join. So Russia could join here. Russia, Iran, Iraq, country, oil. We might not find it the way we want. And yet, please and cry. And to be over BBR, money so say, especially third world for you. Anche nkofui edi oko join bibi a friend Sahel state wa ma him da sori bia me yam hye about Sahel state na ye di agro ekọ no enya ade a ede so woni security expert di nkomo pa ko echira they are not happy with that Sahel state.
Okay, Burkina,
yes,
Guinea and
yes.
Mali.
Yes, so they have a track record of military. We don't have a good track record on those things.
At the Ghana, you cross Sahel state.
Oh yeah, we have a minister. We have somebody who is in charge of Sahel state. Very dangerous.
Okay.
Yeah, very, very dangerous.
That does not mean they will join. He said he will liaise with them.
We
Definitely, they are neighbors.
How do you understand it?
Now, what you say?
Why should we get there?
But they are there. We have a relationship. Burkina, Mali, Niger, Guinea. Yes. They are close allies, Africa. So he has created that portfolio so that in any day they can have interaction.
Ghana is a beacon of democracy. Okay,
so
if somebody is acting on democratical practices,
you should severe ties.
Why should we entertain them by even giving them a diplomat who should be coordinating between you and them? It's serious.
That is also another serious thing. On behalf of the entire crew, we say thank you, Razak, vying to be Nassau coordinator, Ashanti region, and then Hussein, spokesperson for the regional minister at the regional coordinating council.
Regional minister and the mayor.
Why are you doing mischief this morning?
He's my brother. He's my brother.
You are full of mischief this morning. I was for Ember Betas, the full time Juvenile. Yeah, crumble.